Welcome to another video from IC Sri Lanka. So in this video, we are going to talk about a specific topic which I've been getting questions from most of the students who are doing A-level in 2023, 2024, and basically who everybody wants to select ICT as an A-level subject. So what's the question? The question is, I want to be a software engineer, and after doing ICT, what can I do? So, as a software engineer, what are the opportunities I have, and where can I go to excel my career? So in this video, we will be discussing what this is. So first of all, yes, you need to do your ICTs, basically because ICT for A-level basically acts as a foundation to start your IT career, because it will basically teach you on all the basics, fundamentals of IT, computing, data structures, basic programming, development, and so on and so forth. So obviously, getting ICT is your number one priority. Okay? Done. Now let's say you finished your A-levels. Now you want to get into the IT part. Perfect. So you have a couple of choices, right? Number one, if you literally pass your A-levels, you can go to university and follow an IT degree so that you can get into the IT field. Otherwise, if you are not up to that path, obviously, there are private institutions where you can basically be a part of, and you can start your IT degree there. Right? Okay, so we will discuss about these education parts in one of our coming videos, but this video is about this particular question: what can I do? Okay, so when it comes to the IT field, we have four major paths you can follow, right? Path one is desktop computing application development. So everything related to an application which you use on your desktop PC or your MacBook or your whatever the hardware desktop version you use, then it falls under desktop applications. Games, synthesis and Word, Excel, all these things fall under desktop applications. So mainly when it comes to desktop applications, there are a couple of languages which we use to develop. Mainly the popular ones are Python, C# and Java, and all these other languages are also there. So if you want to become a desktop application developer, game developer, obviously you have to follow one of those paths and learn one of those languages. Then number two, it's about mobile applications. Mobile applications is actually a big growing market, because obviously we all know that mobile devices are the next future, right? Everybody has a mobile phone. It can be an iPhone, mobile Android, or any sort of device which is related to that particular category. Where learning how to develop an application for one of those devices is and can be one of the most valuable skills you can achieve in this particular era. Then after that, mobile development, we have the web applications. That is also one of the most competitive markets now, because everybody wants to go online and everybody wants their own website, own shopping cart, whatever the version whatever the application which will run on a browser, a web browser, is known as a web application. So there's a huge demand for web application development and developers. So that can be one of your career opportunities as well. And then the last one is server-side programmers. So we all know, like, okay, example, if you take a game, in that particular game, when you score something, or when you play a multiplayer game, you know that your application, the game you install on your mobile, is just an application which is connected to one of the servers, right? So the game is basically running from a server where it will let you connect with your other players. As well as, you just go to google.com and search something. Automatically that particular search query is being executed on a server, right? So we need people to develop that type of applications as well. So next to web applications and websites and applications, the next most highest demanding thing is server-side developers. So that you can basically create applications based on servers or based on the cloud. So now we discussed all these 4 points. Now in the coming videos, we will go in depth in those each and every development category, and we'll see how you can excel in those areas. And I'm pretty sure by end of this video series, you guys will be able to select your career path, and you guys will be able to get a clear idea on what this is. Thanks.